If you've been looking for the ultimate place to store your fragrance babies, this is the post for you. I get a lot of questions about my cabinets, and I thought I'd do a furniture guide on some great options for your fragrance collections. I absolutely love home decor. I love fragrance and I love organization. So I'm going to have so much fun with this. Please comment below the cabinet that you're most interested in, and I'll DM you the link. I'm doing this for the love of fragrance. And plus, as a fragrance archivist, I have to find a place to store my library. Lighting is also very important to me, ensuring that the shelves are reinforced. My shelves are glass and wood, which I absolutely enjoy, and they're super deep, so I can get tons of fragrance packed in there. This first one is the Aspen cabinet. It's actually at Costco for $5.99, so I don't have the link. It's clean, it's modern, it has wide shelves, and I love that it has the glass door display. It does not have built-in lighting, so you'll have to add it. This is the Kinston. It has 4 shelves, no built-in lighting, super minimalistic, and the shelves are deep enough for risers. The price point on this one is about $1,060. I am in love with this Bayline 5-shelf cabinet. It does run you about $2,900. It does not have built-in lighting, but this will house a mega collection. It is amazing. Somebody please buy it so I can have some FOMO. This Trace brass display almost made it into the perfume palace. I love it. It is 5 shelves. It does not have lighting, but it is luxe, modern, editorial. It's like having a perfume museum in Milan, and it runs you about $1,900. This Serenity Sanderling is my aesthetic. It's bright, it's airy, it's elegant. I love the white shelves. It will feature the fragrance. It has 5 shelves, and it does have interior touch lighting. It runs you about $2,800. This Parisian industrial arched metal curio is everything. It has 4 shelves, no internal lighting, but it'll run you about $1,300. I absolutely love this in gold. They also have it in black. If you don't want to bust the perfume budget, this is a good alternative. It's $488. It has 5 shelves and a drawer, and it's super cute and simplistic. Who knew Urban Outfitters carried cabinets? This is about $1,000. It's 4 shelves plus drawers, no built-in lighting, super boho chic and industrial. I like it. This freestanding arch is so affordable, y'all. It has 4 shelves plus 2 drawers. It's $230. It has 3 light modes and a motion sensor. Speaking of affordable, this Jagger set, yes, both of them are $590. It does have 2 full cases, no built-in lighting, but if you have a massive collection, this might be something you want to consider. I had so much fun filming this. If you are interested in any of these cabinets, definitely comment below on which one you're interested in, and I will DM you a link to them. Y'all, I literally did this for the love of fragrance and furniture. Enjoy.